All right, excellent. You are familiar with the main syntax in Python, and that will help you in the next lessons. In this section, we will learn more about the operators that will help us in our work in Python. We will start with comparison operators. We said if we type the equality sign twice, we can verify the left and right side of an equality are equal. Well, if we use an exclamation mark and an equality sign, then we could verify if two sides are not equal. So, it would be false to say 10 is not equal to 10. And it will be true that 10 is not equal to 15. If we use an exclamation mark and equal, and the two sides we are comparing are 10 and 15, we'll obtain true, as we wanted to verify they are not equal. Good. What is next? Greater than and less than. We can use the well-known symbols to test if a value is greater or smaller than another value. Is 100 greater than 50? Yes, it is. Is it smaller? No, it is not. And that's why we get false. That's great. The logic behind checking whether an operand is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to is the same. Don't forget that on the right side of the operand, we are not limited to providing only one number, like 10. We could insert an expression, like 10 plus 10. So is 15 greater than or equal to 10 plus 10? No. Is 15 less than or equal to 10 plus 5? Well, that is true. Great! This covers everything we can possibly say about comparison operators. Now, let's see what is intended with the expression logical operators, also known as Boolean operators.